right there. In today's lesson, we're gonna finish with the header to make it like this. So we're gonna take it from the very last time we leave it and to code it. So without wasting time, let's begin. So the very last time we leave it like this. So let's code it to have the same appearance like I've showed you before. In our code editor, let's put the right name in the link menu. Okay, first of all, this was homepage. Okay, and secondly, the second was services. Okay, like so, and about us. Okay, and this menu disable, we're not gonna use it. Let's copy one more. Okay, and the last one will be contact us. Contact us, like so. And now let's remove this. And now let's insert, the logo. Okay. To add the logo in the nav menu, so we're gonna remove this text. We're gonna add the logo instead. Okay, IMG SRC. Okay, equal. Okay, so as you can see, I put the image, the logo in the folder image, and this is the name of our logo. Okay, so here, image logo.png. Okay, and save. And now we're gonna take a look in the appearance to see what we have. So now this is the appearance of our site. So we're gonna take care of this title and this button. So before continue, I'm gonna add the custom font to look exactly the same of the template that we are building. Okay, so let's go back to our code editor. In our code editor, we're gonna add the custom font link here inside the head. Okay, and now let's go to find the font in Google. Okay, and Montserrat. Okay, Montserrat font. Okay, and click here. So we have so you see this is the different option, but we can add all of them in one link. So for my case, I only need the regular, this one, select this one, and I will need the bold. Okay, this one. Okay, add it. Okay, so as you can see, I have this regular one 400 and bold 700. Okay, and this is it. I'm gonna copy all of these. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my text editor. Okay, gonna make some space here. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, copy and paste the font. Okay, so that's it. And now let me go back again to show you how I'm gonna use it. To use it, as you can see, I'm gonna add this piece of code. Font family, Montserrat sans serif. Okay, like so. Well, so now let's go back to our code editor. Now let's fix the title in the header. Okay, this one. So as you can see, header image. Okay, inside header image we have overlay wrapper. Okay, inside header image we have overlay wrapper. Okay, like so, and so on. Okay, like I've showed you in the last lesson. Okay, and now I only need this title header. Okay, overlay header. Okay, as you can see, overlay header, title header, title header. Okay, and h1. Inside this we have h1. So this is the same thing. And now let's fix it. Okay, and okay, and now I'm gonna make the font size bigger. Okay, um 50 pixels, and after that I'm gonna put the weight, font weight bold. Okay, okay, after that I will put the font family. Okay, the custom font. Okay, I take from Google. Okay, like so. And now, if you want, we can take a look in the appearance of our site to see what we have. Okay, so we have it like so. But you remember we had this to be this color. Okay, so we're gonna fix it now. Okay, let's go back. Okay, to fix it, so what we can do, this Ostera, we're gonna put it in a span. Okay, in a span element. Okay, like so. Um, like so, and paste. And now what we can do, so as you can see, the span element is inside h1. Okay, inside h1, we're gonna add a span. Okay, like so. And the span, the color is, we're gonna put the color of the button. Okay, and save. And now if we get back in the appearance of our site, okay, let's see what we have. So as you can see, we fix, this title in the header of our site. And now we're gonna continue fixing this and fix the button. And now let's take care of the description text in the header. Okay, as you can see, description header here, here, description header. Inside of it, we have span. Okay, like so. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna increase a little bit the size of this element. Okay, so um, let's make it font size um, 15 pixels. Um, okay, and let's add the custom font. Okay, like so. And after that, let's take care of our button. Okay, um, learn more. Okay, and now you see btn header, and inside of it we have a class btn custom. And what you wanna do? So I'm gonna add some spacing in the button. Okay, just to look better. Okay, so inside this is btn custom. Okay, and in btn custom, let's add a letter spacing. Okay, 1.5 pixels. Okay, and after that, let's remove the link if we put the mouse over. Okay, let's remove the link text, decoration, none. And after that, we're gonna add animation, transition, transition. Okay, 0.5 second. Okay, and after that, we're gonna add an hover. So we're gonna put an hover effect so that when we put the mouse over the button, we want to we want the button to be transparent, okay? Unless this is how you do this over, okay? So background transparent, okay, like so. And the border, okay, 1 pixel solid. And I'm gonna add the same color of the button, like so, okay, and save. So from now, we're gonna take a look in the appearance of our site to see what we have. And now in the appearance of our site, this is what we have. So you see the effect, okay? And okay, like so. So let's make the text in the button a little bit bigger, okay? Let's go back in our code editor real quick, and I'm gonna make the text, font size, 18 pixels, okay, like so. Let's save and let's go back. So as you can see, this is what we have. So the button, okay, learn more. So that's it, guys. So I don't want to make this video too long. So in the next video, I'm gonna start building, the part of services. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment below. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, please, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.